Hey there guys, good morning. Welcome to Dinos Vault and welcome to a sweet and pleasant Sunday morning. We are here at Bajaj Regional Office and I'm here to pick up my Dominar, all set to participate in the Hypermeet Reloaded ride. Now this sounds like Matrix Reloaded. It's only that I am Morpheus. Neo is getting ready. That's Mr. Suraj, the young and dynamic official from Bajaj Regional Office here. And Sagar is helping me shoot this video clip. We are heading from the regional office to the starting point, which is Sanjeevaya Park. And sorry for the noise, we're recording it in the mobile. There's no sleep whatsoever. You guys are aware that I'm working on a slight custom mod on my Scully Duke 390. So I've been working along with with my friends at the garage. So it was late at night. By the time I came home, it was 2:33. And hardly 3 hours of sleep, and I'm back here because I share a very special bond with the Bajaj Regional Office. They have been very kind, very supportive all along. So let's not waste any more time. Let's head out to the starting point and let's see how the day unfolds. Thank you.
I should say thank you. Bye.
So we've just landed up at the startup point. Aklant bhai is here. Dominar family में मैं join हो गया. Already पहले से ही था. So this is just a gift. Brother Garu, Rangan Vishya Saru, thank you so much. Sagar is here to help me with the shoot. Great to meet fellow subscribers. And here we have the entire pack, the hyper pack, shall we call it. The hyper riders are all geared up and getting ready. So looking forward to having an amazing ride. So let's see how things go. Namaste. Namaste. Bhavnara.
How are you?
I'm fine, better than ever. You tell me.
It's been like since 6 months I'm trying to meet you, but I couldn't actually get
So
you to meet up.
So finally the time has come, I guess.
Yes.
Glad to meet you.
Yeah.
Wish you all the best and looking forward to having a good ride along with you guys.
Sure, thank you.
It will be a surprise for all the...
So you will be riding this vehicle?
Sorry?
You will be riding this vehicle?
I don't know. He said,
We have talked.
Thank you. So this brother and this brother want me to ride this bike. Looks really mean, like a transformer. It has a blue wrap. It's a satin blue wrap, I guess.
It's repainted.
Repainted, huh?
Painted.
So the finishing on this looks super premium. I hope the company guys take cues from you and launch an official paint scheme. Looks really attractive. The finishing, you have a smoke defect to the tail lamp and very subtle changes but significant. This front look looks really menacing. Now does it hamper the headlamp this thing? Effectiveness? Huh? Wow.
In the night it looks better.
In the night it looks even more menacing. So I'll be riding this bike. So that's
Actually, it doesn't come with a blue color.
okay. Yeah, it comes with silver thing. So the attention to detail is quite good. So looking forward. Thank you for the privilege, and I'll be enjoying my ride.
Thank you.
Hi.
subscribe.
Thank you.